Hello friends, this is John. In the latest version of DJI Fly app, there's a new thing in the setting menu, which is really important and useful. Manual white balance. This solves the problem of sudden changes of white balance when we are shooting with the Mavic Mini. And at the same time, DJI has come up with one more new idea to drive you crazy. They call it optimized warning prompts for strong wind situation. First off, let's check out where we can set the white balance manually. 3 dots at the upper right hand corner. Camera, Advanced Shooting Settings. Here you can see white balance. Choose Manual. Drag to adjust the value. There you go. You can see the result on the live screen. Suddenly, strong wind warning prompted out. At this moment, it made my phone vibrating. Not once, it just kept vibrating until the warning disappeared. If you are using an iPhone, congratulations, you can make your own choice. Decide to update the DJI Fly app or not. But if you are using an Android phone, I'm sorry. DJI will update the app for you through the back door of the app. Yep, I admit that it sounds like kind of hacking. But that's what they usually do for our safety. Although the vibration is annoying and it somehow makes me nervous. I thank DJI for that. I believe that's exactly what they want. By the way, let's try out the manual white balance again. It's awesome that we can adjust the white balance by just dragging the bar. What do you think about these changes in this version? Please leave a comment below. See you.